Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your preferences on the Singapore Air application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the home button down below and click on this button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on profile at the top and click on preferences. Then you will be directed to a website where you should scroll down and select a meal preference if you have any, such as vegetarian, or here you have diabetic meal, fruit platter, low fat meal, and so on. So tap on the relevant one. You can also set this waitlist reminder, so you will be sent a periodic reminder on your waitlist. So tap on or off. You can also set your interest to receive personalized offers such as dining, wine, spirits, movies, music, theater, shopping, fitness, and so on. So tap on the relevant boxes that you prefer. And here you can also select subscription options, whether you would like to receive updates from KrisFlyer and Singapore Airlines Group, or about promotions, offers, or promotions. Tap on I acknowledge and accept the terms and click on the save button down below to save your preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.